Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Presenting you another vehicle today. It's 2021 6-speed manual Audi A3 S-Line. Fantastic bright white paintwork with the 18-inch alloy wheels, which is slightly sort of a greyish colour, which complements it very nicely. And the leather interior inside is full and is black, and I'll show you that when we go inside. Got nice tinted rear windows at the back and some great S-Line badging on the exterior. Let me just take you inside. So here we have the full black leather interior going through into the rear, where the two rear outer seats are Isofix. Show you some of the spec. So we do have the heated wing mirrors as well as power folding and keyless start. So the S badging comes through into the interior as well, and we have some great features inside. So we have automatic lights, automatic windscreen wipers. We also have lane departure warning system, and down here we have cruise control and speed limiter as well. As mentioned, there's a 6-speed manual gearbox. Got a couple of USB-C adapters, so the new style. Over here we have drive select, so you have Eco, Normal and Sport. Up to your dual zone digital climate control as well. The car does have reversing sensors. So I'll bring you up to this great, it's called the virtual cockpit. So you can change your viewpoints on there. I can have my satellite navigation behind here, over through to information about the vehicle. DAB digital radio, when you have your phone linked up, etc. on there. Then this is the great part of this, the flush black screen. So along with your radio you have your FM, AM, DAB, media sources, i.e. USB, Bluetooth, telephone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Over onto the navigation. As I mentioned, you have it behind the big binnacle as you saw, or just on the actual screen there. Your different phone apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your car settings, any favourites on there as well. You can even have your weather, news, calendars. You have to link your phone up to that, but great functionality that you can have from in there. Let me take you back outside. We're really blessed in Leeds today with the sun, and it does actually really show off these cars in their true beauty. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please contact one of the sales team in the Leeds office. We offer extended warranties on vehicles outside of manufacturer's warranties, and also finance packages that we can tailor make to your needs. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.